Alright guys, today I'm gonna be concealing these wires from the sprinkler irrigation system because when the plumber did it, got that wire coming through there. Need to run it behind the sheetrock. And I might conceal the power cord as well and bring it out, plug it in right there. So, alright, let's get to it. Alright, we gotta disconnect the wires, so I'm gonna put a little mark so I know which color wire to put back after I disconnect them. So I'm gonna put a W right there, put a B right there, put a R right there, and then we'll put a G right here. So we know where to put the wires back after we disconnect them. Alright, so we got our wires disconnected. So now we gotta unscrew it off the wall. Just screw right there, and screw right there. And now we got a stud finder, so we're gonna check to see if there's any stud behind right here that's gonna be blocking us from running it from behind there. Alright, so we got a stud right there, gotta mark that. Alright, so there's a stud right here. Alright, I gotta mark that. That's where we got the studs right there. And then I also checked horizontally. We got a stud right there too. Right, okay, there we go. Yeah, so we'll have to figure it out. Got our little fishing tool right there to bring the wire through. Little hack to cut the sheetrock. So now we're gonna drill a hole right here so we can cut that out. We can fish it through right there. Alright, we're looking like we're looking. Got that cut out. Now we just gotta fish it through here. Create the opening up there so we can get it behind there. Alright, we're gonna move the box over here from there closer to the outlet. Already got the fishing wire through. It's already through right here. Connect the wires so we can pull it through. Alright. Alright. So got it out. Ready to go. Alright, so we're gonna connect back the wires up and then we Gucci.
You dirty it up.
Alright, so now we gotta repair this wall. I'm gonna put this side behind here. Alright, we need to cut it right there. Alright, so we put our speckle on so we can dry and get ready for paint. Yeah, we gotta sand it off too. So yeah, there was some little dings on the wall. I ended up put some speckle on so I can repaint it as well. Oh. Alright, show you guys the finished product when I get done.